Hey, what is going on, everyone? So, I wanted to make a quick video, a little bit of a market outlook for this coming week. So, we've been seeing a little bit of, I guess, retracements, a little bit of weakness in the tech sector for this week. This is NQ, and as we can see, we're making some lower lows and some lower highs. If we take a look at how NQ reacted today, I told us to keep an eye on this $20,500 zone. We can see those wicks there. Those buyers are there, but it looks kind of weak. It looks like we might see a breakdown of this zone either tomorrow or sometime at the end of the week. So this is a key level that I'm watching, the $20,500 zone. If we lose this level, then we have a major nice support right here at $20,370. That's what I'm looking at. That is where I am setting my alerts for this coming week. So let's take a quick look at the overall market. So as you can see here, this is FinViz, and we can see tech has been kind of lagging behind the rest of the market. We can see the industrial section, we can see consumer cyclical, we can see Tesla and Ford, the auto manufacturers, we can see healthcare is doing okay. The financials are doing okay after earnings have been released this week, but we can see tech and semiconductors and our communication stocks are lagging behind a little bit. So I kind of want to go over individual stocks and take a peek at our ETFs one more time. So if we go back to trading view right here, so like I said, the key level that we're watching this week is 20,500, and then I'm also watching us for rejections around 20,650 and 20,760. If we make that push up here and up here, I'm watching to see if those sellers will step in and push this thing down, as tech is not as strong the past couple days as it has been for the rest of the week. So now when we take a look at individual names, the first one is Amazon, and we can see Amazon has had this 196 level up here where it struggled with, and this is actually the trade that I took today. Once we approach this 196 197 level right here, this is where I shorted Amazon. A lot of sellers have been sitting here since CPI day when we broke below this level, and now we can see we're making lower lows and lower highs, and if I had to guess, we're going back towards that 190 level. So keep an eye on Amazon for the short side this week. Next on our list is Meta. This is the one that has been weaker in terms of tech stocks. We can see Amazon or Meta has been trading between this 507 and 496 level. So this week, I like trading this, buying up around 496, taking profits around 505, 506. But we can see this sharp breakdown of that level in early trading today around 10 a.m. Once we broke below that level, it's kind of been a fade to the downside until post market. We have this small support level at 485. If we lose this, our next level of demand is all the way down here at 480 to 478. So that is what I am watching for Amazon. For Meta, we can see this is a nice support level over here. The big trade that I would like, where I would go a little bit heavier, would probably be if we came and we bounced off this zone and tested that 495, 496 area and then made our way back down. That is what I would like. It would be an easy trade to take. It would be if we entered this area, our stop loss would be if we broke above, and our take profit would be either down here or all the way down here. So Meta is definitely on watch for tomorrow. Next on our list is AMD. So AMD has had a triple top up here at this 186 level up here. So we can see sellers stepped in and pushed this thing down every time we touch this 186, $187 level. And if we look at book maps, we can see that there is a lot of sellers sitting there. And today they pushed this thing lower, but they pushed it right into our demand zone at 174. So this demand zone is, if we look back, the key area that we broke above last Friday, or maybe it was the Friday before. This is the key level that we broke above, found support where we ran up from, where we ran almost 8% to the upside, and now we're coming back down to that level. So we're gonna have a lot of buyers sitting at this level, and I took a quick screenshot right here, and you can see on Bookmaps those buyers are sitting there around 175 and around 174. So unless we lose that level, that would be a nice area to probably start buying longs around this area. So AMD is definitely on watch. Next on our list is Tesla. So Tesla was a little bit weaker than the rest of the market at the open, but as you can see, it did find all of those buyers once again. Our key level was 245 right here. This is where we found support and broke higher, and then we came down to that 245 level again, and as you can see from this 1 hour wick, buyers bought that up completely and pushed this thing back into the green. Tesla ended up 1.5% into the green. So what I'm watching for Tesla is this 265 area. This 265 area seems like it's kind of the weak zone right now for Tesla, and if we break below 244, we can start testing that 237. I am not sure, but if tech is doing weak, I feel like Tesla and the automotives and that area can start following behind next. So Tesla definitely on watch for tomorrow. And then next on our list is Apple. So I talked about Apple yesterday. We spoke about this 233 level, that this was the support for Apple, and those buyers did step in today. A couple scalp trades was possible if you were watching Apple. What I'm watching is, can we lose that 233 level? If we start to lose that 233, 232 level, then Apple can start making its way back down to 228, 229. So Apple ended slightly in the green today, but I'm expecting if tech starts breaking down, then Apple can follow behind as well. Now, if we look at ES, the S&P 500 futures, we can see this is making higher highs and higher lows, and this actually broke out of this triple top and moved higher, making all-time highs. So the overall market looks pretty bullish. We did have that meeting by Fed Chair Powell where he said he expects interest rates to be cut. So he expects interest rates to be cut, and the market is anticipating a 100% chance that rates will be cut in September. So he said he expects 3 rate cuts for this year, and markets are pricing that in, as you can see. But what I'm really paying attention to is tech right here. It seems like tech is a little bit weaker than the overall market, and I'm assuming once we break below this 20,500, we can start testing this next support area, and I would probably be a buyer around that area. So guys, that is all for this video. If you guys want to see live trades and my trade ideas, my watch list, all of that, make sure you guys go to school.com and type in options trading and find our group. So our group is here, options day trading. I'm gonna leave a link, the first link in the description below, so make sure you guys check that out and have a beautiful day. Peace.